Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Monday, September 20th. Today I have a whole lot of things to share with you, but the most exciting thing is that we are already starting to preview all of the vendors and their items that will be included in our Handmade Market. Our Handmade Market is on October 23rd from 10 to 4 here at the shop, and this year we have 24 vendors. So I am super excited, but that means that, today is our first day of showing you vendors, and we'll be showing you a vendor every weekday all the way up until the market begins. So this vendor is one of our favorites. This is J S Woodworking, and they create beautiful bowls. Look how pretty that is. We also have here in the shop bowls with magnets on the bottom that serve as pin bowls, and you can actually tip them upside down and the pins don't fall out. They also make beautiful cutting boards. As you see, these two right here. And then they're going to have some seasonal items for us this time around. So look at that adorable little Boo kitty cat. And then we have these really neat Christmas tree pieces. And here's an angel, and here's a little collection of snowmen. And here's one of my favorite bowls, and they were just telling me about this morning. It's made out of a piece of cherry, and so that's the whole tree with the outside. So really fun, beautiful pieces. They also have here in the shop, in addition to the bowls with the magnet bottoms, they have little pin holders with magnet bottoms, and then they also have these quilt ladders. So these are a beautiful way to display quilts in your house instead of in your closets or under your beds. And we have these in the shop. They're also available for custom orders. So you can choose your stain, you can choose your finish, and we have custom order forms that they will take and go ahead and make them any way you want that matches your house. So again, that's J S Woodworking, and they will be one of our vendors at the market. Now to get into today's stuff, we have brand new, the Kona Calendar for 2022. On the back, you can see all the patterns and quilts that are going to be displayed in the Kona Cotton Solids calendar. And one of the things I like about it, and this is just me being silly, but every day has a color name. And it's really fun to get to work and see what the name of the color for the day is. So this will be also hanging in my office throughout next year. But they are now available for purchase. And these also, of course, make great gifts. So if you're looking forward to the holiday season, you can go ahead and grab one of these before we run out. Oh, and our videographer is going to take that one. Today we have precuts for you from Moda. This is a collection called Through the Woods. It's really pretty, and you can see it better in this piece. Really pretty detailed artwork, and it's all in shades of kind of taupe, gray, mustard, and cream. Let's see those butterflies there. We do have some of these bolts on order, so the bolts will be coming in, but the precuts just came ahead. So if you're interested in getting first dibs on Through the Woods, here it is. And we aren't exactly sure when the fabric's coming because that's the way the world is right now, but it's going to be beautiful when it gets here. Next up, we have another fall collection. This is from Lewis and Irene, which is a England-based company. It's called A Winter Nap. Very, very fall themed and really adorable. So there is one of the pieces. This one, everybody's taking their naps. It's so cute. Can you tell that I loved children's books? When my kids were little and I had the opportunity to read books, we just read and read and read because I generally loved the illustrations. And this is no exception. I know our inventory manager is considering making a mask for someone special out of this. So if you're back into mask making, I know some of mine, the elastic has kind of sprung on me, so I need to make some new ones as well. That might be a fun print. This is a beautiful piece with, let me open it for you. You've got the trees on both selvage ends, and there are lots of little stories happening down on the ground there. So that could be a beautiful border for a quilt, and then you could use the middle section with the leaves on it as a background. Just an idea for you. And then we have one more piece. Look at those little foxes. They're so cute. And the little mushrooms and the hedgehogs. So anyway, this one's called, I'm gonna get too involved and just stare at it all day. This one's called A Winter Nap by Lewis and Irene, and it's in the shop and online now. I hope that you will mark your calendars to join us for that Handmade Market on October 23rd. And I hope that you will consider making something fall because the season is now here. We have no more 90s in our forecast here in North Carolina. So we are excited about that. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't come back to bite me that I've said that now. But for now, there's no more 90s in our forecast. I hope you have a great afternoon. Find some time to sew, find some time to do something wonderful for yourself, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.